This is Rainbow Fire the Unicorn. That is the last unicorn. Here's the elevator right here. I want to ride it. I know we don't do elevator videos, but here we go. Let's give it a shot. I know we don't do these kind of videos, but Diesel Deucey does these videos, but they're pretty cool. Let's ride this elevator up and down, and we'll take a look. Now, I'm pretty sure this is an old Otis. Gotta be careful what I'm recording. So I'm pretty sure this is a Otis. Not gonna show you that because, you know, the old Otis. There's the inside of the cab. There's the cab view of the elevator. We're on the second floor. We'll go to the first floor. Here we go. Hydraulics sound pretty good on this elevator. Honestly, I've ridden this elevator multiple times, especially last year. And the doors go open. I'll give you a look at the guys on the outside of the elevator. There's the outside, door closing. Open it back up. And we'll ride again. Gotta cover this because go to the second floor again. Close the door. This elevator is pretty quiet. Like, honestly, I don't film elevators, but this is such a pretty nice cab in here. Usually there's actually a hatch you get above the elevator. But yeah. Let me know if you guys like these kinds of videos. Oh! The elevator door shut. I gotta open it back up. Here we go. Alright, guys. There we go. Oh, this is the Otis, but honestly, pretty cool elevator. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Peace.